Today we're going to find the volume of a sphere using our definite integrals. Now we recall that a sphere is basically composed of many circles. As such, it has its radius, which can be in any direction since it is a 3D object. Well, a circle in any part of the sphere can also have its own radius. We denote this with y. For the circles, we denote it as y, and for the sphere, we denote it as r, for the sake of consistency in our solving. Now, we remember from our algebra that the area of a circle is equal to pi times y squared, y being the radius of the circle here in our diagram. And also from our algebra, we learned that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now we will prove that this is true using our definite integrals. First and foremost, we need to find the equation for our volume. So the dV of the volume of our sphere is equal to the antiderivative or the integral of the area of our circle, pi y squared dx, integrated from the limits -r, or here, and r, here. We do y squared for consistency because the equation of a circle is x squared. The standard equation is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So, by isolating our y squared, we get r squared minus x squared. So, plugging in our values into our integral, we get the following. V is equal to the integral of pi times r squared minus x squared dx from the limits -r to r. Now, bring out our constant pi outside, you get pi times the integral of r squared minus x squared dx from the limits -r and r. Well, r is a constant, so we only need to integrate, only -x squared. But we need to distribute dx here as well, which gives us the following. When we integrate this, we get pi times quantity r squared x minus 1/3 x cubed, evaluated from -r to r. So, plugging in the values for the variables r and r's -r, we get this, and simplifying, we get this. This becomes r cubed, this becomes 1/3 r cubed, this becomes -r cubed, and this becomes 1/3 r cubed, positive 1/3. So combining like terms, r cubed plus r cubed is equal to 2r cubed minus negative is equal to -2/3 r cubed. And by adding these variables, finding the LCD, and then turning this into one big fraction, we get the following. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4r cubed over 3 times pi, or from our volume equation, 4/3 pi r cubed. True.